What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be today I have a few things I have to do. Sorry, you're gonna see me wearing basically no clothes most of the time because this is how I walk around my house. And if I'm vlogging, this is just gonna be what it is. Today I'll just hop on a shirt real quick. You know what I'm saying? I'll pop a shirt on.
Take a moment and ask yourself what you do it for. I don't think you got the slightest clue. Going through the motions, but you steady making moves. Is it true what they say about you?
All right, half shirt. Still ain't got no clothes on. Anyways, today I have a lot to do today, and a lot of that includes me handling these clothes and boxes and getting things to Plato's Closet, Children's Place, and the consignment shop. And the only things I can get to the consignment shop is like my designer clothes. So I'm gonna get rid of those. The stuff that I'm not wearing, the stuff that I will never wear, make a little bit of coins, you know what I'm saying? And the rest I'll give to Goodwill and figure out, you know, that stuff and get a little tax break. You feel me? So yeah, I gotta do that. I also have to, I might set up my film area. We'll see how that goes. But I really want all these clothes out. Like, I want them gone. So I'm about to sort, bag, and get it together. And this is like, so I can actually put my lookbooks together easier and do stuff like that. So that's what we on. So let's get it. Let's go. As you can see, I have a bunch of clothes that I'm getting rid of. And I just wanted to come on here and talk to you about how you can actually sell your clothes for money or just, you know, give them away. So one of the main places that you can take your clothes to for money is consignment shops. So if you have name brand clothes, and you have a local consignment shops are always a local place. They are places you can find on Google or Yelp or something like that. And basically you give them your clothes and they'll give you a percentage of a percentage. So they'll look up the price that the clothing is going for at the moment. And then they'll basically sell it to you. Well, give you the money, a percentage. So some of them do half, some of them do 60% of what they make out of it. It just depends. And then some of them actually give you a percentage before it's even sold. So the one that I go to sell my name brand clothes or my designer clothes, they actually wait until you've sold the product and they give you half of what they made. So 50-50 on that. Another place you can go is Plato's Closet. And Plato's Closet is also a part of Once Upon a Child. So those two go together. So if you have a kid, go to Once Upon a Child and give your clothes to them. And if you are an adult, give it to Plato's Closet. One thing that I've noticed is they take a lot of athletic wear. So Plato's Closet and Once Upon a Child take more athletic wear than anything. Once Upon a Child takes more than just athletic wear because it's children's clothing. Good God. Just pay attention to that because they're the most, I think they have a limit on how much they can give you, honestly, because I go in and I'll make between $18 and $25. No more than that. I haven't made any more than that, I don't think. Maybe, I don't know. I think I might have made 40 before. But that's only once. But at consignment shops, that's where you get more of a bang for your buck because you definitely can walk out there with good little bit. I've been selling my clothes to consignment shops for a minute, so I've made quite a bit of money just giving my clothes back. And another place you can go and give your clothes away would be Goodwill. And it's not really giving them away because you do get a tax break. So just make sure they do write you a slip so that you can file that in your taxes. But that's really the ways that I have recently been using, well, in general have been using. And if you like to buy things off of consignment shops and that you can also sell to places like the Real, I know y'all probably seen them online, and it's only recently I've been seeing them online, but I've been shopping with them for so long. I actually have a few pair of my shoes and clothes that I've gotten from them, including my red bottoms. And you know, it's just a way to get what you want for cheaper, or sell your clothes that you bought for full price. Because think about it this way, if you give your clothes away, you're not making any money off of it. But if you give it to a consignment shop, you got a little money back. Like, it didn't go to waste. It was either just gonna sit in your closet or you were gonna give it away for free. So just giving you some ways that you can sell your clothes. Most consignment shops also take shoes and purses and stuff like that. So if you have any designer purses or shoes, bring those in too. It never hurts to let them check. Once they check, you don't have to really like worry about it. And honestly, one hack that I would say with Plato's Closet and Once Upon a Child is I'll literally take clothes up there in a big box, let them pick through it, and then the stuff that they give back, I definitely will send back with more clothes again. And 9 times out of 10, they take the clothes that I sent the first time that they gave back, and they take them the second or third time. So that's just a hack to get rid of your clothes if you're really looking to make like a little bit of coins like really quick. And one thing about Players Closet Once Upon a Child is they do give you your money within like 45 minutes to an hour if they're not packed. Like, it's really quick. You get cash on hand or you get store credit. It's just really, really, really simple. So I just wanted to come and tell y'all about that, because I know y'all see me going through clothes right now and I got a lot more to go. So let's get to it. We're in the room now. Don't mind my bed. Don't mind my room. I haven't decorated it. It's not something that I really wanted to decorate like that yet. It will be decorated soon. I just don't have the time right now. Recently, I got a king size bed. I used to have a queen, so I have to get all new bed sheets and stuff. I want my bed set to be what I want it to be, so that's why it's not all fancy and shit. But I'm about to go through all these clothes. I had to throw them on the floor so I didn't go to sleep last night, because they were all clean. Ta-da! So I'm about to go through every single bit of these clothes. The living room looks a mess, but I'm getting rid of things that I need to throw away and the things that I need to sell, give to Plato's, and then separating those off into things that I need to give to the consignment shop that are name brand. And the rest will go to Goodwill or one of those little drop boxes. And one thing about the drop boxes, I did forget about the drop boxes. The drop boxes are literally like placed everywhere. And you just drop your shoes, clothes, whatever, toys off into the little drop box and you are good to go. I mean, the one thing about that is you don't get credit tax-wise for donating clothes. So just be aware of that. That's like really the only downfall. Goodwill is going to give you tax credit, but you have to know like how much you're giving them. And I honestly don't know if they take everything. I haven't been to Goodwill in such a long time, so I don't even know their policy anymore. So yeah, so we're about to get into this, and I'm gonna take my CBD oil drops. I have some CBD drops by Sweet Drops, and this is the fruit blast flavor, so it's basically fruit punch. And you just take a drop and you put it under your tongue. And it just dissolves. It relieves anxiety, joint relief, reduces stress, and enhances your mood. CBD is meant to calm you down, you know, give you those calming effects. So I take my CBD drop every morning, and we're about to get it going. No, it does not have THC in it, if that's one of your questions. CBD is very good for you. I feel like everybody in the world should be taking CBD of some sort. Make sure that it is done correctly. Make sure it doesn't have all the extra additives in it. Sweet Drops, I'll leave my code and everything down below for you for 10% off. It's been a minute since I worked with them, but I still have a code. I think I only posted on my Instagram. I think it was during the summertime. So if you want some CBD drops, I got the code down below. Get some money off. You feel what I'm saying? But let's get to these clothes, because this is a lot. It's a lot. It's raining. Yeah. Hi.
Rain again. Hey, are you wanting to sell?
Yes.
Okay.
Also, Once Upon a Child now does everything electronic, so easier. Alright, y'all, I know I look a hot mess. Don't worry about it, because, you know. But I'm going to give y'all a little update. So I ended up getting $37 and some change in total. So almost $38 from both stores. $6 and 30 something from Plato's. They only took two things. $32 and some change from Once Upon a Child. And they took like 21 items. Honestly, that's really good, because y'all have to think about it this way. If you're only going to donate, you're not getting any money back. So I'm donating the rest that didn't get taken, but I made money off of clothes that I would have not made clothes off of. So it's a win either way it goes. Unless it's a news like I saw in the brew. My bad. I don't want to get copyrighted, but but yeah, I just wanted to update y'all. So we did that. I didn't go to the consignment shop yet, so I don't know when I'll do that, but I just wanted to give y'all a little update, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll do a lot more consignment shop type videos, so you guys can know like what I'm doing, where I'm going, what's going to Plato's, what's not. But I had to get rid of a lot of clothes. Like, I just had to, and I have a lot more. I actually have a lot of baby clothes to get rid of. So we will see. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Ignore my roughness. It's raining today. And yeah, subscribe, like, comment.
Take a moment and ask yourself what you do it for. I don't think you got the slightest clue. Going through the motions, but you steady making moves. Is it true what they say about